So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Deep Learning IIT Ropar week 4th assignment 4th. So, the first question is you are training a neural network on a data set with 5 million samples using mini batch gradient descent. The mini batch size is 500 and each parameter update takes 100 milliseconds. How many seconds will it take to complete one 5 epochs of training? So these are the option 5,000, 10,000, 2,500, 50,000. So the answer of our first question is A, 5,000. Now the second question is you are comparing training times using different gradient descendant algorithm on a dataset with 1 lakh data points. Each parameter update take 2 milliseconds. How many millisecond longer will stochastic gradient descendant take compared to vanilla batch gradient descendant to complete two epochs? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is D. Now the third question is what is the most practical benefit of using smaller batch size or constrained devices? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C. Minimizes memory usage and reduce overhead. Now the fourth question is you reduce the batch size for 4,000 to 1,000. What happened to the number of weights update per epoch? So these are the option doubles, quadruple, remains constant, halves. So the answer of our fourth question is quadruples. Now the fifth question is which of the following statement are true about mini batch gradient descendant? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is A, C, D. Now the sixth question is what could the reason for slow learning in this scenario? So these are the option large learning rate, very small gradient, very high momentum, incorrect label noise. So the answer of our sixth question is B, very small gradient. Now the seventh question is what optimizer would help improve learning in this situation? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is D, Adam with bias correction and adaptive learning rate. Now the eighth question is if the above model takes 300 steps per epoch, then after 5 epochs the number of weight update is. So the answer of our eighth question is 1500, 1500. Now the ninth question is which of the following helps in handling a small gradient? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B, using ad adagrad. Now the 10th question is what are the advantages of using momentum? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is A, C, T. Now the 11th question is which of the following would not help in this scenario? So these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is C, reduce learning rate. Now the 12th question is if the learning rate equal to 0.01, momentum coefficient is 0.9, the current gradient at step this and the previous update was 0.1, then what is the value of the new update? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is 0.092. Now the 13th question is a data scientist is analyzing how momentum affect learning speed over time. She initialize a weight 1.0 and use the following parameter in momentum based gradient descendant. So these are the parameter and the answer of our 13th question is C, 0.0216. Now the 14th question is what are the benefit of using mini batch over full batch? So these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is A, B and D. Now the 15th question is this is regarding oscillation in training a deep neural network. You are training a 6-layer neural network on a regression dataset. The model experience oscillation in loss after epoch 10 and the model jumps around minima without settling. So the 15th question is what is the likely cause of oscillation? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is C, too high learning rate. Now the 16th question is which technique help reduce oscillation? So these are the option momentum, adagrad, weight decay, none of the above. So the answer of our 16th question is A, momentum. Now the 17th question is which optimizer allow you to peak ahead before computing the gradient? So these are the option Adam, Vanilla, SGD, Nestrov, accelerated gradient, adagrad. Now the answer of 17th question is C, Nestrov accelerated gradient. Now the 18th question is what happen if momentum is set to 1? So these are the option and the answer of our 18th question is B, model overshoot and diverges. Now the 19th question is which of the following are the advantages of mini batch gradient descendant over SGD? So these are the option and the answer of 19th question is all A, B, C, D. Now the 20th question is, what does the line search algorithm aim to optimize at every step of training? So these are the option, and the answer of 20th question is B, the cost function value along the gradient direction. Now the 21st question is, what is the key computational disadvantage of applying line search in every update? So these are the option, and the answer of our question is B, many more computations in each step. Now the 22nd question is, which of the following schedules typically required setting to hyperparameters? So these are the option, and the answer of our 22nd question is A, exponential decay, and D, step decay. Now the 23rd question is, exponential decay adjust learning rate using which formula? So these are the formulas, and the answer of our 23 is A. Now the 24th question is, learning rate decay is typically used to. So these are the option, and the answer of our 24th question is A, fine tune the model toward the end of training. Now the 25th question is, in step decay the learning rate change at dash interval. So these are the option, and the answer of our 25th question is A, predefined. Now the 26th question is, if you have 1 lakh samples and batch size is 10,000, how many parameter update happen in one epoch? So these are the option, and the answer of 26th question is 10. Now the 27th question is, if n equal to 60,000 and batch size b equal to 5,000, the number of weight update per epoch. So the answer of 27th question is 12. Now the 28th question is, suppose you are using Nesterov accelerated gradient and are at time step t. The current gradient at the look ahead position is dash, and these are shown on. So the 28th question is of answer is A, 0.175. Now 29th question is, you are optimizing a neural network with energy at iteration t. You have current weight 1.0, previous update, and so on. So the answer of our 29th question is D, 0.77. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.